Did you know that each season in Germany brings its own unique traditions and activities? Let's dive in and learn more about the months and seasons. Willkommen zur 7. Lektion unseres A1 Deutschkurses. In today's lesson, we'll explore the months of the year, the 4 seasons, and all the fun things the Hofmann family enjoys doing throughout the year. And don't forget to stick around until the end, where we'll have a listening practice session to reinforce what you've learned. Are you ready? Los geht's! And we're starting right away with a review of all 12 months in German. You'll notice that the names are quite similar to English, but pronunciation makes the difference. Listen closely and repeat each one after me. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, Oktober, November, Dezember. Great. Now, let's go over how to use these months in sentences. To talk about something happening in a specific month, we use im, which is a combination of in and dem. So instead of saying in Januar, we say im Januar. This applies to all the months, im Februar, im März, and so on. In a few minutes, we'll dive into short stories about the months and seasons, where you'll see these structures in action. A quick grammar tip. The article dem here is actually the dative form of der, which is the article for masculine nouns, and in German, months are masculine. We'll cover the dative case later in the course, but it's helpful to keep this in mind. And here's another rule about nouns in German. All nouns always start with a capital letter. So, as we mentioned, months are nouns, which means they're always written with a capital letter, no matter where they appear in a sentence. After seeing how to pronounce the months, let's move on to the seasons of the year in German. We have 4 seasons, each bringing its own unique feel and activities. Listen closely and repeat after me. Frühling, spring. Sommer, summer. Herbst, autumn. Winter, winter. Great. Now that you know the seasons, let's see which months belong to each one. Frühling, März, April, Mai. Sommer, Juni, Juli, August. Herbst, September, Oktober, November. Winter, Dezember, Januar, Februar. Seasons in German are also masculine, so the article der is used. Therefore, we say der Frühling, der Sommer, and so on. Just like with the months, when we want to talk about something happening during a season, we use im, a combination of in and dem. So, we would say im Frühling for in spring, im Sommer for in summer, and so on. And don't forget, like months, the names of seasons are always capitalized, since they are also nouns. Now that we've learned the names of the months and seasons, let's dive into 4 short stories, each highlighting a different season. My daughter Mia will present spring. My son Philip will share about summer. My husband Marcus will talk about autumn. And I'll wrap up with my favorite season, winter. And stick around till the end, where we'll have a quick listening practice session based on the short stories. You'll get a chance to test your comprehension and reinforce everything you've learned.
Im Frühling freue ich mich besonders auf die Blumen und das warme Wetter. Im März gehe ich oft mit meinem Bruder Philipp auf den Spielplatz. Ich rutsche gerne auf der Rutsche, während Philipp lieber schaukelt. Im April hüpfen wir zusammen durch die Pfützen, wenn es regnet. Im Mai pflanze ich mit meiner Oma Blumen in ihrem Garten und genieße die Sonne.
Im Sommer freue ich mich am meisten auf die langen Tage und die Sonne. Im Juni spiele ich oft Fußball mit meinen Freunden im Park. Es macht Spaß, draußen zu sein und zu laufen. Im Juli gehen wir schwimmen, manchmal im See, manchmal im Freibad. Im August fahren wir in den Urlaub ans Meer. Ich baue gerne Sandburgen und sammle Muscheln am Strand.
Im Herbst freue ich mich auf die bunten Blätter und die frische Luft. Im September gehe ich oft mit meiner Frau Katrin im Wald spazieren und sammle Kastanien. Im Oktober besuchen wir das Oktoberfest und haben viel Spaß. Im November wird es kälter. Und wir machen es uns zu Hause gemütlich mit warmem Tee und Kakao.
Im Winter freue ich mich auf den Schnee und die gemütliche Zeit mit der Familie. Im Dezember bereiten wir uns auf Weihnachten vor, schmücken den Weihnachtsbaum und backen Plätzchen. Im Januar fahren wir oft nach Österreich zum Skifahren. Im Februar gehe ich gerne Eislaufen und genieße die kalte, klare Luft. Now that you've heard all about the months, seasons, and activities, let's put what you've learned to the test with a quick listening practice. Make sure to pay close attention to how the months are pronounced in German. You'll hear a sentence describing an activity in a specific month, and you'll have 3 answer choices on the screen in English. Let's begin. Im Dezember schmücken wir den Weihnachtsbaum. Im Dezember schmücken wir den Weihnachtsbaum.
Im Mai pflanze ich Blumen im Garten. Im Mai pflanze ich Blumen im Garten.
Im September gehe ich im Wald spazieren. Im September gehe ich im Wald spazieren.
Im Juli schwimme ich gerne im Meer. Im Juli schwimme ich gerne im Meer.
You've done a great job today learning all about the months, seasons, and activities that go along with them. I hope you're feeling more confident using these in sentences. In our next lesson, we'll be introducing German nouns and articles. Understanding these is an essential part of speaking German, so don't miss it. As always, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this lesson if you want to review. Macht's gut und bis bald!